board today here with Captain Paul. Say hi, Paul.
Hi, everybody.
We're headed to OSU for breakfast.
Airport 1, cross runway 9 right on Charlie, hold short of runway 9 left. Sierra 306 Bravo Zulu, stay ground is cleared. The Clinton Field Airport is filed. On departure, climb and maintain 3,000. Expect 4,000 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure control frequency is 125.95. Squawk 4257. Over.
All right, got a better view of downtown now.
Yep.
Let's see, we're climbing a little bit. Let's bring her back down to 3,000. We got about 200 feet to bleed off.
Where do you see your altitude?
Right here, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yep. It's hard for you to see from where you're at.
6 Bravo Zulu, ground read back correct, advise ready for taxi.
I'll help you out. Pull the power back, it'll go down a little easier.
Okay.
It is a nice, smooth morning. We'll probably feel a bump or two on the way home. Nothing terrible.
I've been on some rough commercial flights. That's
yeah,
for sure.
I bet.
We had one where the pilot apologized when after he landed.
All right, Paul, if you don't mind, I'm going to take it back. We're going to
Have at her.
Okay, I got the airplane.
You did good. I wasn't even scared.
My wife didn't even say that in the car.
State Tower, Cherokee 4257 Juliet.
Cherokee 4257 Juliet, State Tower.
We're 8 to the north. We've got November, and we're inbound for full stop.
Cherokee 4257 Juliet, State Tower. Roger, report a 2-mile left base entry, runway 9 right.
Report a 2-mile left base, 9 right, 57 Juliet.
739, if you inform State Tower, reporting midfield downwind for runway 9 right. 739, if you inform.
Tower, runway 9 right, clear touch and go.
Touch and go, 9 right, 739, if you inform.
Get a better descent going here.
Man, look how muddy that. What is that, the Olentangy?
Oh, boy, I don't know, but it looks messy, doesn't it? There's a dam right there, because you can see it gets real skinny beyond there.
Oh, yeah.
I think we're going to beat that Cessna in.
I don't see nothing.
He's out there to our left. About 4 miles, 400 feet below us. 5 nautical miles from the airport. $500 feet a minute descent rate. Fuel pump on.
Cherokee 57 Joe, when you hit the interstate there coming up off your nose, just follow it around square, you turn the funnel for runway 9 right.
Wilco 57 Juliet.
Cessna 9 uniform, flyer upwind to route 315 before turning crosswind.
Upwind to route 315 before turning crosswind, 739, if you inform.
657, stay tower, have you in sight. Keep your pattern tight for runway 9 right. You're cleared to land, wind 0706.
64657, we'll keep it tight for 9 right.
Cherokee 57 Juliet, traffic for you to look for. It's a Cessna Medfield left down. He's due east of your position, 2,000 feet. You look for him to follow.
Okay, we're looking for the Cessna 57 Juliet. He's below us.
I don't see anything.
Well, keep looking. There's a Cessna, high wing, airplane off to our left. He told him to keep it tight, so he's inside the pattern from where we are. State Tower 57 Juliet. I don't have the Cessna yet. Can I turn final?
657, cancel your landing clearance, and if you can, go ahead and turn westbound now. Look for Cherokee traffic. He's over the interstate turning final at 2,000 feet.
And 64657, we have the traffic.
657, roger. Maintain visual. Follow the Cherokee. You're number 2 now for runway 9 right. Cleared to land.
Cleared land number 2 behind the Cherokee, 64657.
Cherokee 57 Juliet, you're number 1 now for runway 9 right, cleared to land, wind 0506.
Clear to land, 9 right, 57 Juliet. There's the Cessna, right there he is.
Oh.
State Tower 306 Bravo Zulu, ready for takeoff, on route.
Here's 306 Bravo Zulu, State Tower, hold short, runway 9 right for landing traffic, it'll be a minute.
Holding short, 9 right, 306 Bravo Zulu.
All right, you see those lights on the left side of the runway?
Yes.
They're red and white.
Right midfield for runway 9, or right down.
We want
downwind midfield for runway 9.
2 white, 2 red. We got right now. We've got 3 red.
Continue the down. I'll call you base turn. Expected.
Means we're below glide slope.
So come to base 739 form 9 right.
Means we're coming in a little low, so I'm going to flatten it out. We want 2 red and 2 white. There we go. We're getting there.
Good job, honey.
57 Juliet, turn right at Charlie, then via Alpha, taxi to parking, monitor ground point 7, you should proceed in.
Right at Charlie to Alpha, ground point 7, 57 Juliet. Ground point 7. All right, see that blazer, whatever it is up there with the yellow lights?
Yep.
We need to follow him. Follow me across the back window.